Sunny, what are you doing? Are you sitting on a chair? On the table? Is that what you're doing? You're just sitting down? Your wee-wee's out? But you're sitting down on the table. I want everyone to pay attention that this dog by himself has situated himself on the table. Oh no, I ruined it. You're such a smart dog. What the boo-boo? Oh, boo-boo. You're such a good dog. Yes, I love you too. I love you too. You are my best friend. Boo boo pichu. Ow. Alright. Bye.